Most people who move to Florida think manufactured homes are a last resort. This family thought the same thing. Then they walked through the front door and everything changed. Hey everybody, so we are here today. Today's closing day here in Lakeland, Florida. Brand new manufactured home. This one here is a new family, first-time home buyers from Venezuela. So this home here actually won Parade of Homes for the Polk County Parade of Homes with the Builders Association. When we brought in this model here, there was a complete disaster, a older manufactured home that was falling apart. So when we brought in this home, the whole neighborhood was excited. It's actually made the neighborhood step up. Even the home next door here was under distress and they remodeled it. So the neighborhood, we've seen a difference even since we brought in this home here. We have, of course, our orange tree here. This is a tradition that, we feel that a family's planting roots. So we want to help them and contribute and give them an orange tree that they can plant as well too, to start their growth. So let's go inside, let's check it out, let's meet this family and congratulate them. You're looking at right now is a brand new manufactured home in Lakeland, Florida. And before you scroll past, hear this. This home won Parade of Homes for the Polk County Builders Association. That is not a participation award. That is a panel of industry judges looking at this home and saying it is one of the best in the county. Manufactured home, Polk County, best in show. And look at what happened to the neighborhood around it. When this home came in, it replaced a falling apart property that was dragging the whole street down. Within weeks, the house next door, sitting under distress, got remodeled. The neighbors stepped up. One quality home changed the energy of an entire street. That is what we mean when we say manufactured homes are paving the way, not just for the family inside them, for the whole community around them. So is this what sold you the property here, was the bathroom? Do you like the tub? Yes, it's really nice. It almost looks like one of them cold plunge tubs, but yeah. Really, really nice there. So is there any questions that you have about the home that you would like to know? No, everything's good, yeah. Yeah, I saw that y'all had the inspection, everything came back good there. She did not want a manufactured home. She came in with every skeptic's assumption that quality wouldn't be there, that this would feel like settling. And then she saw the bathroom, and that was it. That's the story we hear over and over. The resistance is almost always about the misconception, not the reality. And once people see the reality, the conversation changes completely. I sat down with Laura, the buyer's agent on this transaction, and asked her straight, are manufactured homes changing the game for buyers right now? So I have Laura here. You were the buyer agent for this transaction here. How would you say it was working with the Property Solutions team?
Oh, it was wonderful.
Okay.
Wonderful. I mean, the property itself pretty much sold itself.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like it was a long day and I said, I want you to see this one. She's like, oh, Laura, I said, just see it.
Yeah.
Just see it. And she walked in, so.
Do you see that manufactured homes are like paving the way for affordability for buyers now?
1,000%.
Okay.
It's the quality.
Yeah.
The quality. They don't expect that. They don't expect that. It's, I want block. They don't expect the quality.
Yeah.
So yes, I think it is paving the way.
So how long have you been in real estate for?
6.5 years.
6.5 years.
6.5
Okay.
years. So I do see the difference in the fact that the manufactured properties are, it's something that, I'm from up north originally. So to see the quality and the up and coming is pretty exciting because as you mentioned before, affordability.
Yeah, definitely. And insurance as well too.
Right.
Sometimes I feel people have the misconception that insurance is going to be more expensive on a manufactured home, but actually I'm sure you saw that it's cheaper.
Right, it's cheaper. Cheaper. It was a little surprising.
Yeah. So, I mean, that helps buyers, with their monthly payments as well too. And then, but it's because of the standards that they're built now. So yeah, for sure. Well, I hope we can do some more transactions in the future. It was a joy working with you. Thank you. If you're watching this from up north, I know exactly what you're thinking. You've heard Florida's too expensive. You've heard manufactured homes are not worth it. You've heard that people like you cannot compete in this market. Here is what Laura just told you, and she's been doing this for over 6.5 years. The quality is there, the insurance is actually lower, and the path to ownership is accessible and real. There's a word we use a lot at the Property Solutions team, and I want you to hear it. Accessible, I just mentioned it. Not affordable in the apologetic way where it sounds like you're settling. Accessible means a path is clear and you can actually get there. When you put a quality manufactured home on your own land that you own, not a park, not a lot rent situation, you're building equity. You're building something that belongs to your family. That's not a consolation prize. It's your real home.
So they're gonna come by and they're gonna bring a yellow packet that has all the home warranty in it. So there's gonna be these cards in there. They need to fill them out and mail them in as soon as possible because this is gonna hold the warranty for the home. And the extra keys, it has extra keys in it. Every piece of paper on this, they have it. It also has a contractor's list. So who did the AC, who did this, so if they have any issues, who to contact. I'm gonna step out, but we got you an orange tree as well too. That you get to plant. So you get to plant some roots in Florida, oranges, right? Yes, yes. Well, congratulations again. Nice meeting y'all. Congratulations. Bye, everyone. Bye. So thank you for coming along today and meet this new family with their home. They're just wrapping up their paperwork now.
This family was not supposed to be here by the old Florida rules. First-time buyers. They didn't want a manufactured home, and today, they're homeowners in Lakeland, Florida, with an orange tree in their yard and keys in their hand. That is what accessible home ownership actually looks like. Not the version where you wait until you have more money, not the version where you settle for something that does not feel like yours. The real version where you find the right team, walk through the right door, and realize the path was there the whole time for you. You can own here. Not rent, not hope. Own. And here at the Property Solutions team, we show you exactly what that looks like for your situation, your budget, and your family. If you are relocating to Central Florida and you want to know what your options actually look like, we put together a free guide built specifically for people in your situation. It's called the Home Buying Budget Planner, and it walks you through the markets, home types, the process, everything you need before you start making decisions. So download it free in the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen now. No pressure, no phone call required, just the real information you need to figure out if this is the right move for you. And if you're ready to talk to someone on our team directly, that information is also in the description box too. We work with buyers every single day who thought this was not possible for them. Almost every single time, it is. So grab the guide and we'll see you in the next one.